from the dead, feast frozen, moving to the life I was meant for. I see shadows embracing the thought of me. Who are we to do the things we do? Beds floating higher than the dreams we seek. Seemingly the thought is deep, shining in the dark through the night. I pushed so hard, the gold came out. Got your heart, the journey is long, the glory might be gone. You're the writer of your own stories. Pick the page, be the bestseller, be the preacher in your own church. The soul, together we grind, it might fall, but get up, surround yourself with the best. You gotta grow, dearly beloved. I'm tortured by the streets, it's hard to mingle or chill with a brother. You might get yourself caught up in a suitcase, still a drama, seizing all the dreams. Heavy thoughts got you drowning in a cell. Lay off the drug, you gotta fix up your time. Respect your loved ones, they might be dead and gone. Sooner or later, give back the love. I see all the lonely ones fighting for survival in the streets with silent cries. I see all the lonely ones fighting for survival in the streets.
I got love for the streets, rhymes on the beats, shadows in the light, fighting hard for my keep. Man, I suffer for peace, fall from the trees. Emergency, may the sun never cease. I got love for the streets,